Be ready. Start. Sir, having stated this, these people had approached me in Bombay. Stop. Then, sir, all the shroff associations are already agitated over it. Stop. Now, I have got a memorandum which I think has been submitted to the government also. Stop. It is Gujarat State Shroff Association. Stop. Likewise, that agitation has spread everywhere, and there is an apprehension that if the government goes on with this provision, then the entire transactions which are being carried on smoothly at places where no banking facility is available will come to a stop and stand still, and the rural people and the lower middle class people will be very much affected. Stop. Now they have stated the reason why it is an unjustified move and what is the magnitude of the problem. Stop. There are certain implications on vital sectors. Stop. The move will be an obstruction to informal credit structure. Stop. It will be a death blow to distributive trade. Stop. It will have a detrimental effect on rural sector. Stop. Then it has been mentioned that it will have a crippling impact on indigenous banking. Stop. It will aggravate unemployment. Stop. There are certain drastic penal provisions about which also they have stated. Stop. They have mentioned about the erosion of moral values also. Stop. Well, sir, we may keep it aside. We all should be very much concerned with the moral values also. Now it has a far-reaching impact. Stop. They have stated all this in their memorandum. Stopera. I would only like to highlight one or two main points. Stop. It has to be realized that the informal credit structure comprising of trade, business, commission agents and indigenous bankers has been rendering valuable services since times immemorial to various sectors of the society, and more particularly in rural and semi-urban areas. Stop. What is more, they occupied a place of pride due to personalized service to both clients and depositors, coupled with high efficiency and prompt service at low overhead cost. Stop. Even though greater percentage of information credit structure is unsecured vis-a-vis the bank credit, which is mostly secured, the default is very low. Stop. Despite substantial expansion of bank branches, not only of the nationalized banks but also the national rural banks and the cooperative banks, the informal credit market continues to serve the increasing needs of the internal trade, industry and commerce of the country, which highlight its viability and indispensability. Stop. Even in developed countries like USA, informal and non-banking commercial credit markets operate without being subjected to close customary and legal regulation characteristic of commercial banking and its variants. Stop. In such circumstances, instead of destroying such informal credit structure, it would be quite useful to vitalize and reinvigorate it. Stop.